Today we want to talk to you about the sheet laundry detergent.
Have you ever heard about sheet laundry detergent?
Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent, a highly concentrated pH-neutral sheet laundry detergent that offers powerful cleaning and convenience. It has a convenient laundry detergent concept, outstanding cleansing power, saving time with the all-in-one detergent, and it contains allergen-free fragrance. The sheet laundry detergent is very convenient. No measuring, no overuse, no messy powder. If your load is small, just tear it in half. Just as easy as that. This product completely dissolves, even in cold water, to target and break down tough stains. It has powerful cleansing and prevents soiling. Save your time and money with this all-in-one detergent, which includes detergent, fabric softener, and fabric brightening. It also contains allergen-free fragrance, which gives off a subtle floral scent after laundry and excludes 26 different allergens that can cause allergies and skin problems. For anyone, anytime, anywhere, this detergent is an easy way to do laundry. You add the sheet on top of your laundry when using a washing machine, not in the detergent slot. You can also use it when hand washing. Depending on how big your laundry load is, you can either use a half sheet, one whole sheet, 1.5 sheets, or more. A quick and easy way to do your laundry.
This sheet you can divide in two if you don't have too much laundry, and it smells so good.
So this package is actually very handy because if you're going on a trip or you're traveling, you need to stick it in your suitcase or into your backpack. You don't really want to take a whole heavy bag of powder
Or the liquid
or
jug.
the liquid. It's very lightweight and it has 30 sheets in one package, so that should last you quite a long time.
Or if you have a small family, you can use a half of the sheet and that would double your amount. Thank you for watching this video.
And for a question of the day in this video, we want to ask you, how often do you do your laundry? And would you be interested in trying our sheet laundry detergent?
Thank you.
See you next time.